Welcome to the REDATS channel. My name is Hubert, and today I'm going to show you the simplest wheel balancer in our W8 series, the REDATS W-820. I'll walk you through its key specifications, show you what's included in the set, and at the end we'll balance both a steel and an alloy wheel on this machine. The machine features a simple and easy-to-read display, along with a clear and easy-to-use keypad. It can handle wheels from 8 up to 35 inches, balancing them in just 5.5 seconds with an accuracy of 1 gram. The built-in measuring arm automatically reads the distance and diameter of the wheel you're working on. You can balance wheels from passenger cars, vans, and off-road vehicles in dynamic mode, as well as motorcycle wheels in static mode. The machine offers 3 basic programs for alloy wheels, making the balancing process much easier. You'll also find it also has an optimization function, which helps reduce the number of weights needed to balance the wheel. There's a hidden weight program too. It lets you place the weights behind the spokes, so the result is not only effective, but also looks clean and professional. The balancer also has a dual operator function, which lets 2 people work on the same machine independently at the same time. After 5 minutes of inactivity, the machine automatically switches to energy-saving mode to reduce power consumption. Here's what you get in the box: 4 cones covering sizes from 43 to 135 millimeters, tire pliers, a 50 grams calibration weight, a 40 mm threaded shaft with an Allen key, a quick-release nut with both large and small sleeves, and a user manual with all the information you need. That's it for the theory. Now let's see how the REDATS W-820 handles balancing both steel and alloy wheels. This time we'll start with an alloy wheel. As always, we begin by mounting the wheel on the balancer. Next, check if there are any old weights on the wheel. If there are, we need to remove them and clean off any glue residue. Now we use the measuring arm to mark 2 points for the adhesive weights and close the safety cover. We need to add 35 grams on the left side and 20 grams on the right. Let's position the wheel at the left imbalance point. Here we need 35 grams. Take the weight, place it in the slot on the measuring arm and slide it inside the rim. The balancer will tell you exactly how far to push it in. Then stick the weight in place. Now we move to the right side. Here we need 20 grams. Just like before, place the weight in the slot, slide it into the rim and attach it. Close the cover to check the result. We've got a perfect 0 to 0. Now let's remove the alloy wheel and mount a steel one. First, we remove any old weights from the rim and we're ready to enter the parameters. We switch to the standard program and move the measuring arm under the rim. The balancer has automatically read the distance and diameter. Now we need to enter the wheel width. Take the caliper, measure from rim edge to rim edge and read the width. We've got 6 inches, use the plus and minus buttons to set 6 inches, then close the cover. We've got 30 grams on the left and 25 grams on the right. Let's position the wheel so that the left side imbalance is at 12 o'clock and hammer in 30 grams. Do the same on the right, set the imbalance to 12 o'clock and hammer in 25 grams. Now close the cover. We've got 0 to 0. The wheel is perfectly balanced. And that's everything you need to know about the REDATS W-820 wheel balancer. Reliable, precise, and easy to use. If you want to see more videos about car service equipment, tutorials, and reviews, make sure to check out our channel, click subscribe, and stay up to date with the latest content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.